Does this sound familiar? Your patients need complex care, but you don't know how to start planning it. You're afraid that they can't afford the dentistry and that they'll respond negatively to your treatment plans. You think the treatment planning process will take too long. Let me take you on a treatment planning journey. Advanced treatment planning will shortcut your learning journey, giving you much more confidence with your planning, minimising your legal risk, and minimising the chance of a patient leaving your practice because of the way you communicate. Our simple step-by-step treatment planning protocol will transform your dental career. You will learn how to help patients make the right choice for long-term dental health. And we will teach you the secret on how to become your own second opinion so that the patient doesn't feel an urge to go to another office. We will provide you with the skills to transform your dental career with our step-by-step treatment planning protocols. You will learn to treatment plan more thoroughly with beautiful records. Your case acceptance will dramatically increase even if you're shy, and your legal risks will be reduced with our informed consent process, which will also increase patient satisfaction and patient retention. You can confidently discuss even the most expensive treatment plans, and you never get patients shocked over the cost or seek a second opinion over the cost. And your practice becomes booked much further ahead. If you can't plan dentistry, you can't do it. To find out more, go to RipeGlobal.com.